If you're building or remodeling and you think all drywall is created equal, think again. What if just spending a few more dollars per sheet could give you better fire resistance, soundproofing, and a more durable finish? Today, we're talking why 5/8" drywall is the secret weapon of pro builders and why it might be the smartest upgrade you make this year. Let's start with the basics. Most homes use 1/2" drywall for walls and ceilings. It's light, it's cheap, and it gets the job done. But 5/8" drywall, also known as Type X or fire-rated drywall, is thicker, denser, and packed with the benefits that most homeowners have never even considered. The biggest reason is fire resistance. Fire resistance is the biggest reason builders use 5/8" drywall in commercial projects and multifamily homes. Type X drywall is designed to withstand fire for up to 60 minutes compared to just 30 minutes with the standard drywall. In a fire, every minute counts. It could be the difference between safe evacuation and disaster. So 1/2" drywall, which is standard drywall, is rated for 30 minutes of fire resistance. 5/8" drywall or Type X drywall is rated for 60 minutes, which is a big benefit. Now, key benefit number 2 is soundproofing. Soundproofing is another game changer. 5/8" drywall adds extra mass, which absorbs the sound, whether it's a home theater, a nursery, or just keeping peace between upstairs and downstairs. The difference in sound transmission is noticeable and measurable. Key benefit number 3, durability and sag resistance. 5/8" drywall is tougher, plain and simple. It's less likely to dent from doorknobs, kids' toys, or moving furniture. And when it comes to ceilings, especially with joist spacing over 16 inches, it resists sagging way better than 1/2" drywall. Here's an interesting piece of information. In ceiling joist spacing, 1/2" drywall max distance is 16 inches on center. On 5/8" drywall, you can go up to 24 inches on center, which in my opinion could save some money in the long run. So where should you use it? Here's a quick cheat sheet. In attached garages, fire rated is required by code. So no matter what, if you have an attached garage, you will be using 5/8" drywall with the walls that are connected to the house. In ceilings, to avoid sag. In shared walls between units, so in multifamily and or apartments, that would be the case. Around stairwells and hallways, and anywhere sound control or durability matters. So if you're in a kid's room and you don't want dents and dings and doorknob slams like I have at my house, you might want to use 5/8" drywall. Even in your home office or master bedroom, it can make a huge difference in quality of life difference, mainly sound transfer. So even though every house is going to be a bit different, here's a cost breakdown, and is it worth it? So what's the cost? Expect to pay $3 to $5 more per sheet compared to 1/2". For an average room with 15 sheets, you're talking about $45 to $75 of an upgrade. But for better fire safety, noise reduction, and longevity, that's a serious return on investment. So if this helps you rethink your drywall choice, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart building insights. Got questions and want to see a side-by-side sound test? Drop a comment below. I read every single comment. And remember, build it once, build it right.